Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to Unicorn Fam, and I am with Guinea Pig. Hey guys! And yeah, we are going to be making slime. So I have my bowl here. She has one too. I have a pencil because, by the way, I don't even have no mixing, and she has one too. And we have Tide. Yeah, we have Tide. And we have baby oil and hand soap, and we have glue. Of course, who would not use glue? Like, what the heck? So yeah. Basically,
Okay.
we're not gonna start yet, but I think we are. But she's gonna be like, I don't even know.
I am trying to figure out how to get my camera to work.
Can you put this on your side, please? Thank you.
My camera doesn't want to work. I don't know why.
But it's fine.
And my other camera does not want to work either. So I'm going to try my other. It's 12 in the morning.
Yeah, I know. It's 12 in the morning, you guys. We were we were gonna do it at 3 a.m., but we decided not to. So
Yeah, we're going to be doing a 3 a.m. video.
yeah, but we're not gonna do a slime video. No.
We're not going to tell you guys what it is yet.
Well-
we already know. We already decided in the car.
Oh yeah, I forgot. But
Why?
I know it. I just noticed. Okay, so yeah, I already know what we're doing.
Let me see if I can do it again.
You cannot take a photo.
I'm not gonna take a photo. I'm gonna do a video. You
Okay, so
dumb.
I'm just gonna start getting to it. I'm just kidding. I'm just
You
gonna
have to
wait.
wait for me. Anyways, I'm not gonna do
Mixing.
this. I'm not gonna do this anymore.
So she's just gonna use it with me, I guess.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is I have a bigger bowl.
Yeah, but she's gonna still put the same amount, and since she has a big bowl, it doesn't matter.
So we are going to put our pencils right here.
That's not my pencil. This is my pencil.
We're gonna be putting our pencils like that on here when we're finished.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pour a small amount of glue in our things. It's gonna be 3 pumps each, okay? I'm making it fair, okay? 1,
Oh.
2, 3.
Okay, the rest is for her school.
I mean, 4. Then 4.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, and the rest is for her school. I'm
Yes,
thinking.
because
Yeah.
that's for school. Anyways, we're going to grab our little mixing thingies and just stir it up. Just stir it up. And now we are going to be adding, the baby oil.
Yeah, baby.
Baby oil. We're just going to add
Yeah.
a drizzle.
And then now we start mixing it
And
again.
then we start mixing it. It's going to be like really oily.
Yeah.
It's gonna look really like this. It's
And
gonna
when you
look like
start
this.
playing with it, it gets sticky. But then when you start playing with it a lot,
It looks like
sticky.
this. It's gonna look like that.
Yeah, it looks
And
like
then
this, guys.
now we're going to put a little bit of hand soap. I have hand soap. It's gonna be white.
Nothing coming out. There's nothing coming
There's
out. Name of Jesus.
Okay, so now we're going to mix it up
Again.
again. Yes, we are adding a lot of ingredients to this,
Yeah, so we can have
and we are going to add some stuff in it. I don't know what we're gonna add still. But I have a few things that we can add to it. I don't know what yet. But I'm pretty sure I have a few things to add to it. Okay, now we're going to add just a drizzle. Oh my goodness. A drizzle. I put a lot in hers. So you want to put a little bit of Tide and mix, okay? For some people that do not know how to make slime.
You know, a lot of people know how to mix slime. My gosh.
I know.
Girl, you crazy.
Some people have.
I still need more time.
Yeah, I need more Tide too. You want to add a little bit more glue?
Girl, you're pulling my hair.
You want to add a little bit more glue?
And
know.
guys, if you put a lot of Tide, then your color
It won't
might
like
change.
no. If you add too much Tide and a little bit of glue, then it won't work.
Yeah.
I think I need a little bit more
me too,
glue.
Me too.
It made that funny noise. So do you need more
Yeah.
Tide? Ooh, that was a big glow.
You're always putting a lot in mine. Oh my gosh. My hair just got stuck to it. Look, you see that hair?
Look at that, guys. Look at that. That looks so cool. The camera's over here, Leah. Leah.
No.
It's because,
I'm not Leah.
my friend is called Leah, and I was hanging out with my friend called, named Leah. And I don't really hang out with her that much, with the unicorn fam that much, so.
Yeah, she's my cousin, but sometimes we don't come all the time because we have busy stuff, and we have school, by the way.
No, I'm not touching this.
Okay,
I
now
am
I'm
not touching this.
Heck no.
I still need Tide.
I still need Tide. Look at this.
I know, mine. Look at this. Guys, look at
Oh,
this.
heck no. My hair keeps getting... Oh.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Okay, guys. So we are going to
I'm
be
going
doing...
to have to wash my hands after because there's like a bunch of stuff and there's hair.
Yes, there's hair in the slime. Look at this, guys. It's not even turning out how I wanted it to be. It's not even turning out.
Mine
I'm going to add a big glow.
Mine too. I need some more.
Oh, I don't think I need any more. Yeah, I don't need any more. I'm going to add a big glob to yours.
Thanks.
There you go. Don't wipe it on me.
Sorry, I wasn't trying.
You have slime on your hair, you know that, right?
I know. When I take a bath, I'm taking a bath on my hair.
I know.
But,
I know.
oh my gosh, why do I keep getting hair in my...
Here's slime. Guys, mine is transforming. Finally. After a little bit. Ooh.
After a while.
After like hours.
Mine is too. We get to keep ours, you know.
Yes. But not the bowls. I have baby food bowls so she can put it in. We can put it in.
I need just a little more Tide. Because it's really sticky.
Girl, I am doing this, so you're gonna have to put Tide to you on yours because I am needing mine.
Oh wait, no, it's actually not.
Mine is sticky. Can you add a little bit more Tide to mine? My hands.
Yeah. My gosh, that's a little lot.
Okay, that's it.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Don't make you get on your clothes.
I know. These are actually new clothes.
Woo! Wow.
Guys, I even haven't started playing with mine because I don't like. Dang it,
Oh my goodness, your slime. I don't think it turned out.
It did.
I don't think it turned out how it's supposed to be.
It did. Oh my gosh, bro.
Goodness, this is so much slime, guys.
I know.
I need more Tide.
Oh, nope. I'm playing with mine, and mine is a little sticky.
Oh my goodness, that was so scary. Okay.
Look at mine.
Holy.
It's sticky.
Mine, you just have to keep adding Tide. When it gets thickening, when it gets like this in your hands, and then it's still sticky in your hands, just
No, look at mine.
Put it right here. Add some Tide and
some
just go
Tide.
like this.
Cause look, touch it. Just don't.
Oh my goodness, it's stinky.
Yeah, I know. Just don't put a lot. Thanks.
Oh my goodness. Let me take this out of the way so you guys can see.
What our slime looks like, and it's a
Yeah.
little messy. We're gonna have to wash our hands after this.
Yes. Well, we're gonna take a bath.
Yeah. After her mom's done. But
My
not
mom is
together.
done.
Oh, yeah.
But we're gonna keep making slime. Oh my goodness, I thought that was your slime that fell.
It almost did. Mine just turning out a little well, just a little.
You need more Tide?
No, yeah, a little, just a little, girl. Cause you pour a lot.
And I pour a lot on yours. Pour a little bit on mine. There you go.
Thanks.
Okay, so
Oh
I'm going
my-
to add a little bit more of Tide on mine because mine is sticky. It formed, it's just sticky.
Oh no, mine is actually good.
Wait, be careful.
I know. Mine's just a little good. I just need to still play with it.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's good.
Oh my goodness. Can I touch it?
No.
Yes, please.
You have more. I mean, never mind. You don't have more. It looks like you do.
But I don't.
Yeah. Mom's gonna be like, "What the heck did you make?" I'm like, slime.
Yeah.
And I am staying at my cousin's house because
Yes,
my mom let me, and we're gonna have a pillow fight, and we're gonna watch.
Yes,
some
guys,
movies.
we are going to be vlogging this entire day. Well, it's already Sunday.
It's Saturday. No, it's Saturday.
Oh yeah, it's true. Saturday. I am so dumb. I was about to say, no, school starts tomorrow. It's like, oh
God, you're stupid.
I know. I'm stupid. Okay, so what you want to do with this slime? What you want to do if you still have like a little bit of glue slime in your bowl is just pick it up with just mix it like that, and then put it in your slime like I'm doing right here.
I'm gonna put my slime on.
You guys have no idea what I'm doing right now because she is covering the entire camera.
Yeah. At least it said 2020.
Oh yes.
I can still charge it though. And by the way, some people don't have cameras. Some people don't have cameras.
What
They
we're
just have-
using is we're using our phones and our
No,
iPads.
my phone.
Her phone, and I use my phone and my iPads. Because I have 3 YouTube channels. I have a vlogging channel and I have 2 real channels. My vlogging one is my phone because like I go everywhere with my phone, so I vlog there. On one of my a big tablet, an iPad Air, I use it to do DIYs and stuff like that. And then my small iPad, my mini iPad, is to just make DIYs too, just to make random videos.
Yeah,
Okay.
we just like doing stuff.
Whoa, that looks so cool, guys.
Yeah, actually, guys, this is actually good. Every time when slime gets on you, look. Watch
Yeah,
this.
that's cute.
It's clean.
Yes, like my friends, some of my friends don't even know what slime is.
Oh, wow, they're stupid.
I know. No, this girl in my school doesn't know what TP means.
TP? Oh, yeah, I know what it means.
TP, she doesn't know what TP is. And she's in 3rd grade, guys. 3rd grade, about to go to 4th.
She has to know it.
And she doesn't, you know what she doesn't? She doesn't know what OCD means.
Oh, my God.
This girl she needs Jesus. She has Jesus in her life, but she needs to learn.
She had an
Literally.
audition today.
Yes, I had a concert today.
I used to have a concert when I was in 1st grade.
That's why we made a video really late.
Yeah.
This is gonna be uploaded like tomorrow, cause we have to edit it and all that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, my gosh.
Who? Pick that up. Pick that up. Pick that up.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Wait. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Ooh, baby, go watch me move.
I can listen to my shoes. I'm trying to lose. Oh my gosh, there is freaking hair. That's stupid.
So what I'm doing is I think I have more than. No, I don't.
No,
have
we
more
both have the same amount. She's just saying that because she's bragging.
No, I'm just saying. I think I have more amount.
But we actually have the same.
Yes.
because we put 4 drops. So yeah.
Yeah, we have the same thing.
Guys, my slime is really good.
Yes.
Let's give Adriana hers.
Wait, okay. Not yet because it's still sticky. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Tomorrow,
Guys, I took out all my slime. Look, Alanis, I actually did.
Oh wait, we can't have a. Oh wait, yes we can because it's Sunday tomorrow.
Tomorrow's Saturday.
No, because it's already Saturday.
Oh yeah.
It's Sunday. I'm gonna ask my mom today if we can have a sleep another sleepover.
We already are.
No, but it's for you to stay a double night, so you can stay until Sunday.
Girl, look what you did. When you were playing with it.
Oh.
When you were playing, well, a slime just flew and girl.
I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Yeah, I need
baby
some.
oil.
I need some. Not.
I added a lot. I just squirted it.
But guys, this is really awesome.
Whoa! Look at that oil, guys. Look at that oil. That looks so cool.
That's cool.
I know, right? Hey, stop taking my
I'm
slime.
just kidding. Alright, I would never take other people's slime. Like, I'll help you. I wouldn't. You're stupid.
Hey, you took my slime.
Sorry. Let's see if we have the same amount.
Okay, let's put it right here and see. Let's roll it into a ball.
Because if we don't, then she's going to have to give me some.
Yeah. Yeah, we have the same amount.
Let me see.
Into a bowl. Wait, because you're not rolling it, right? You want me to roll it for you?
No, I got it.
Okay. There you go.
You have
No, it's because it makes it flat. Look, put it flat and see. There's more. Stop grabbing my slime.
Oh!
Stop grabbing my slime.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Thank you. You keep taking my slime.
Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to take your slime. I was trying to get something up.
You're like, I can't do it.
Guys, this is amazing. Shut up, guinea pigs.
Yeah, shut up. It looks so satisfying. You can't even see my face because I'm not even sitting down. Okay, you want to make another batch?
What?
A slime? You want to make another? You're like, oh, what? Do you want to make another batch of slime?
Yeah, let's do it.
So then we can mix it up.
Yeah.
So we can make it bigger.
I'm going to mix it up with mine.
One. 2. 2.
That's it. Okay, so what do we do again?
Wait,
I forgot.
2. 3. 3.
And guys, by the way, we will have the same amount, but if it gets stuck, we have to take us back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mix your. I think I have a little bit. I think I have a little bit more than you. So I'm gonna put one more drop, okay? To yours.
Thanks.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so now, first things first is
Hand soap, I think, right?
no
Oh, yeah, it's baby. It's hot.
baby oil.
I'm like playing with my slime so much. I love it.
Mix it. I don't know where mine is, so I'm just gonna use
It's
it.
right there.
Where? I'm blind.
Oh my gosh, never mind. I don't see it.
I think it's fine. Anyways, so now we are going to be doing
No.
hand soap, I mean.
Hand soap.
So we're gonna add 2 drops of hand soap. 1, 2, wait, 3, 4, 4.
Thanks.
We're gonna add 4. It's gonna be super sticky.
Yeah, again, it's gonna be super sticky, but when you mix it, it's not gonna be sticky. Wow.
big chunk, a big chunk. I threw a big chunk for both of them.
Gosh, my slime's getting all over the place in my bowl.
You want me to add a little bit more time
No,
to
it's
it?
fine, it's fine. It's just I was getting all over the place, by the way.
Woo! My slime is already ready.
With 1 cup. I mean, not with 1 cup. With 1 Tide, that's it.
Yeah, because I added a lot. Woo!
Mine's actually good, but it's not that good yet. I need a little bit more.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh, I put a little lot.
Okay, so, oh my goodness, this is going to be hard. Because we have our table full.
Yeah, we have like a
things.
bunch of pencils and stuff.
Holy cow, that's way too sticky. I took it out of the bowl so I can
Holy cow, that's way too sickest.
touch mine. Just dip your finger.
Holy cow.
I know, right? So I'm just mixing it on the table. Because my table can get...
But I'm not gonna use all that, by the way. I'm just gonna use some now, cause I don't want my like thing to get mixed up.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is just gonna pour a little bit of Tide in mine. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna mix
Oh wait,
it.
never mind. No, it's working. Oh, mine is way too sticky.
Mine's is a little sticky.
I need some Tide.
Oh.
Chunk. I keep moving the camera with the thing.
Hey, Alani.
Yes.
Never mind. I was just gonna ask you something, but hold up.
For
Wait.
Tide.
No. No, I actually just mixed it and look.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty neat. Okay, Alani, can I put some Tide in your bowl, please?
Got it. Wait, let me grab all the extra stuff that's...
I'm trying to too. That's why I'm trying to put the Tide in yours.
Let me grab all the extra... No, because if you have that Tide, you can make more slime. Because look, you have it right here.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
then you
Okay.
mix it. And you make more slime. We made a big batch of slime.
Oh, I have 10. Okay, guys, this is gonna end the video, and thanks guys for watching. And I hope you like it. Subscribe. Comment down below and put that bell.
And like. And how much should we get this video to?
Like probably
200,000.
no 50 likes.
No, that's way too low.
Fine, like 100.
200.
200.
50,000.
No.
2,000. 2,000 likes.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.